This is Close Quarters Combat Academy. I'm Taki Kabir, and today we're going to be looking at a variation of a Seoi Nage where the arm is wrapped almost like a headlock around the top of the shoulders, and we spin underneath and flip over our opponent or our training partner. And got the mats out here just for a little bit of comfort, so that way we can do this a couple times. I'm going to show it with just closing the gap and getting in from like a wrestling kind of standpoint or a clinch, and then also with like sticks, because a lot of times I see this with the full contact stick fighting that I do off of a backhand. Okay, so I'm gonna walk off that too. So we can start it. So beginning of this one, come right here. These mats are heating up real bad.
Woo. Oh yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I think what we're gonna have to do is stop the mats.
Okay, let's do it without the mat. Yeah, that was hot. So the idea is that we get in close and we get this action right here where we have a control here and then underneath the armpit, okay? And we're locking up, squeezing on this tight. At this point, we're gonna now rotate underneath this space by stepping our feet through. So we step through, and now we're here. We drop the outside knee, and then there's a roll over. On this side, so here, we get control underneath the armpit. We latch on. Step through. Once we come through, spin, drop the knee. There's the roll. Okay. So the key here is this can be done off of closing the gap. If he throws like a hooking punch or something, and I'm here, now I can always soften him up a little bit, right? And then I just swing his hand underneath. There's my roll. Okay. On this side. Same thing. We go here. Boom. And here, softening up. Doing these things, you know. Bring the hand underneath. Latch it to ourselves. Step through. Down. And there's our turn. I'm trying to be nice to him, but the idea is the deeper you go underneath, the easier it is for you to roll. So actually do on this side. So I can go in kind of shallow and then drop. But if I get all the way in, this is where I get a really good one. It's almost like he's got me in a headlock, right? So this is actually a nice counter for a headlock if you find yourself in this position. Right here, you just kneel on the outside, hold on, kneel on the outside, and go over. Okay? So if we were moving, we were kind of out here, we're moving around, and we're trying to get in, he's throwing some jabs or whatever else. I'm moving, and then there he goes, I'm in. Okay, I go here, he goes to wrap me up in a clinch. He's wrapping up, we're tying up, we're trying to move around, right? I get right here where I'm getting this, you know, double under. Right here, I can fold him over, great. If I'm one under, one over, I'm spinning thing. Just putting his hand underneath, keep the underhook, right here. Fine, I'm moving around. As soon as I can, and it makes space, I'll turn this so you can see. Sliding this in, to make space. You see how I make the space here? This is underneath already. I'm just swinging it right around. See again, I'm here moving. Okay? And as soon as I go here, I shear and I grab. Okay? And also, if I need to, I'll stomp on the foot, you know, knee right here, and make him move or something for a space. You just then shear in. Okay? At that point, I just rotate. Boom.
I just like this.
Time. We get here, we're moving around. He closes in on me. When we get that boom, right here, we're moving around, moving. I make space by shearing underneath. Get that right here. Step through, drop, and from there. So that's a good way to kind of do it with the empty hands. You happen to have sticks. I mean, you see a lot of times just meeting the force one-to-one, right? And somebody's gonna crash on that on backhand number 2, right? So, boom, right? But then the problem is that when I go here, he does the same thing. He wraps my arm and we're stuck, right? And you see this right here, and then, you know, whoever gets wet, maybe you switch hands, whatever, but it's hard to now get them off. So, from here, crash, he goes to wrap, I'm wrapping here. And again, I still need to make space. So I'm holding here, clamping here. I still do all this right here, kneeing, stomping, anything else right here. How I'm going to now get out is, if I turn this way, I don't need to yank my arm out like this, because then my stick, I have too much room, and it's hard to get it across, okay? So what I do is I switch hands, see that? It's here, and like this, I switch hands, okay? I put the stick in between us, I can push on the face with it, and dig in here, and I can dig in right here, okay? If he doesn't cave on me, over, yep. If he doesn't cave on me, I go here, boom, I slide this in between us, I crank, slide up. Now I have this right here, where I'm underneath my arm, right here, pinching on the bicep. You guys can see, okay? So, stick comes over, underneath, get that right there. Once I'm here, I can get it roll in there. So I'm holding on here, I turn, and there's my throw. I can now pull this out. Beep. Still have this, if I trap it, I can get my disarms here. I can come up, disarm, and then hit. No, we go here, we'll kind of close. So you'll walk in, 1, 2, boom, we're here. Switch hands. Slide this in, maybe I smash him in the face a little bit to make it turn away. Slide it in, lock over. Grab underneath. Now I have this right here. So I'm holding on to that. Step through. All right, so from this position, we have the overhook and the underhook, and we're moving around. I can use my shoulder to bump. You're coming like this right here. The shoulder to bump to make some space. I bridge this way. I pull this down, up, lock in right here. And I roll over. Then we'll do it one more time. As we get to this position, moving around, bump, shear, slide underneath, lock under, over, step through. Boom. We get to here. He's got the overhook. I've got an overhook, and now my weapon stuck. His weapon stuck. If I try to hit him here, I have no power really. It just annoys him. So I switch hands. And I use this right here to make space. If he's really tight on me, I can use my neck and my shoulder to wedge to make space, and then slide this underneath my armpit. Once it's under my armpit, I can bump to make space, and come break this grip, pull my hand out if I need to, and slide it across and up underneath right here so that I'm pinching on the shoulder, the bicep and tricep to secure this. Now I have my elbow pinching on the back of his weapon hand too to hold that in place, okay? At this point now it's just the same. I step through, I rotate and drop my weight. So from here, I'm holding on to that. I rotate in, boom. Once he drops, I have this, I just pull my hand out. I still can control here for my disarm, and still hit, press. Anything like this, I need to go for locks here, I can hit with the strike here, I can hit. Anything like this, my disarms here, take that off, boom. And that's how you kind of do this with the weapon. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Brian, for getting thrown around.